Hey, what's up guys? iSaurabh here. This is Nick case for iPhone 11. Let's unbox it. You can also get this case for other iPhones. This case comes in a simple box, protected by a plastic. Now take it out from it. This is a transparent case with black side and golden border. Now this is the condition of this case after 5 months. You can see that this case become very little yellowish, which is negligible after putting it into your iPhone. This case can protect and also give back view of your iPhone. If you want to buy it, I will put the best buy link in the description. Thanks.